Market this morning, about 0.31% below last Friday's close. There was a holiday yesterday, Washington's birthday. There was no trading. The daily here on the SPY still looks really good, just continuously grinding higher, slow and steady. We're up at the top here. There's a lot of resistance up here, but probably go up today. We'll see. Our watch list here, mostly to the upside this morning. I don't really see too much of the downside. Maybe this WTW CGC looks okay. We had some bad news on Facebook this morning, but Walmart had great earnings, so it's popping. ICPT, look at this thing, 21%, 22% up. So we got quite a few here to work with, and we'll see what the market lets us do. WTW, let's try this for a short right here if it gives it to us. All right, we're in WTW, 28.53. Daily looks great for a short. This thing's just been downtrending constantly. And intraday it gaps down pretty big. And all the buy the dippers came in. They're coming in here. And probably go to 29 maybe, and then I think it'll just turn around and drop. Got a lot of bag holders in this. Stop loss will be over 29. Target, I like it around 28. Anywhere around 28 would be good. Facebook, we're going to take this for a short right here at the ask. All right, we're in. We're in at 161.65. I had some rough news this morning, some bad news. So it's been downtrending too, and intraday it gaps down and it gets bought up and then it just starts to drop. So I'm thinking once it breaks 161.50, this thing will drop easily. Here it comes. Let's take a look at this thing up close. All right, it's coming down to us. I'd like to take it somewhere below 61 if possible. 161. Stop loss will be over 162 area. And target, I like it below 161. Facebook, it's at our stop area here. I'm going to see what happens here for a little bit. And hopefully it'll turn around. Maybe it's just a little squeeze here. Facebook, I'm going to come out of this one right here. If it gives it to us. All right, we're out. We're out for a loss of about 35 cents or so. Yeah, I don't like it. It's probably going to climb higher now, so there it goes. We'll probably try it again later if it gives us an opportunity. Good thing we got out of Facebook. Still climbing. Thinking about jumping in it. See if I can get some of this back. Yeah, let's try this right here. Try another short right here at the ask. All right, we're in. We're in at 162.33, second trade on it. We took it earlier. And I'm thinking it's going to turn around up here just because of the news this morning. It might pop the top here for a little bit and then it'll drop again. Stop loss will be over 163 in target. I like it around 161.75. The market's about to hit Friday's close, so I'm thinking it'll probably turn, maybe get a pullback here. AAP, I'm going to take this for a short here at the ask if it gives it to us. It's a good size mover, but I like it where it's at here. It looks pretty good. All right, we're in. It's going to be a good size stop loss on this one, but it's going to be a big move down, I think. Daily doesn't look good for a short, but look at the size of this topping tail here. And intraday it gaps up and flushes. It rides up a little bit, but then it just flushes all the way down. Now the market's moving up and it's down here at the lows here. I'm thinking it's going to bust through this 170 and stop loss is going to be a good size stop loss on this, probably 172 area. And target, I like it around 169, below 169.50. Let's take a look at WTW. This one's starting to work out a little bit. This one's taking too long. I'm probably going to take this right here at the 30 if it gives it to us. There's no volume. All right, we're out of that one. We're out of that one for only about 22, 23 cents. Let's take a look at AAP. All right, this one doesn't have much volume either, but once it goes below 170, I think we'll get a nice ride down. Facebook is just hanging out at the top end. It's a little bit below our stop area, but I got to keep my eye on this one. Once this one goes below 170, it should have a nice push down. Facebook, we're going to come out of this one right here. I don't like it anymore. See if we can get it. We're going to come out of this right here. Come on. All right, we're out. We're out for another loser on it. That's 2 losses on it, but it looks like it's going to pop the top here. Lost about 50 cents on that one. So it looks about ready to pop here, so I don't want to be part of it when it does. Market's still climbing, so that's telling me to get out. Now AAP, let's take a look at that one. That one looks good still. That one's riding the bottom there. Once it breaks the 170 area, it's going to drop hard. So I'm hoping to get some back on that one. AAP, all right, it's right at our stop area. We're going to give it a few seconds here. The market has not stopped climbing, but I'm thinking market's just breached Friday's close, so I might take a breather there. Hopefully it'll bring this one back down. Look at that nice big fat squeeze there. Now it's coming back down. Now I got to think about getting out of this one here, or if I wait. I really think this one's going to drop though. I really do. Waiting for this thing to break the 170. I think once it does, it'll be pretty dramatic, and it'll probably rush right down to 169. All right, here we go. All right, we'll take this right here. If it gives it to us, all right, we're out. We're out for about 80 cents or so. I should have waited. Ah, look at that thing drop. But the spread was really big. The market's still climbing. And I needed to get some back from Facebook, which brought me up. Oh, look at that thing drop now. My goodness. I knew that was going to happen. Well, I didn't know it was going to happen, but I really thought it would. And it did. And I got scared out of the trade. That stinks. But that's all right. We still got about 75 cents or so, I think. Facebook, we're going to try this one more time here at the ask, if it gives it to us. All right, we're in. We're in at 163.15. Third trade on it. 2 losers on it. But I think it's really stretched out now. Look at this daily. How it's just tipping over. Had bad news this morning, and it dropped all the way down to 160. So it opened, and it just got bought up all the way up to here. So I'm thinking now it's exhausted all its buyers, so it's going to start selling. I'm thinking all those people that bought down here are going to start selling up here, and should bring this thing down. Market is putting in a little bit of a red candle here, so maybe we can get some tailwind. Stop loss on this one will be around 164. Target, I like it around 162.50 area. Facebook, this thing should have dropped already. I'm going to come out of this right here. We're out for about a 10-cent winner on it. I don't think it's going to drop. Should have dropped already, and it didn't. Well, at least I got a win on it. Had 2 losses on it. ICPT, we're going to take this for a short here at the ask if it gives it to us. All right, we're in. We're in at 125.96. Now this is a good size mover. Daily does not look great for a short, but look at the size of this topping tail. Look at that thing. Intraday it gaps up, and then it flushes from the top, and then it started riding up again. Now it's just been in this zone here. Market is starting to tip. So I'm thinking this is a good size mover. So stop loss will have to be over 127.75 area. And target, I like it below 125. Here it comes. If it cracks this area here, it should be a nice flush. That's why I jumped in it. Market was tipping. And if it cracks this area here, boom. Let's take a look up close. All right, here it comes. Let's see if we can take this down here at the 8 here, if it'll give it to us. All right, we're out. Nice. Nice. We got a full point out of that one. Nice. A little over a point. 1 cent over a point. I needed that. Facebook, we're going to try to short it right here at the ask. We took 10 cents the last time, but it's starting to drop here, so I'm thinking it's over. Market's starting to drop too. All right, we're in Facebook. 4th trade on it. First 2 are losers. Third one was a small winner, and now I'm seeing it starting to tip. So we got some momentum here to the downside. Market's starting to drop there a little bit. I'm thinking we can get at least 50 cents out of this, maybe more. Stop loss will be over the highs. And target, I like it below 162.50. I think once it starts to pick up momentum, it'll drop. Market is dropping a bit there. Facebook. All right, starting to work out here. Let's take a look at this thing up close. Not going to be too greedy. All right, still dropping there. I'm going to try to take this right here. All right, we're out. We're out for about 30 cents. I wanted it below 162.50, but look at the market starting to put in a little green candle there, you know. And I don't want to leave that on the table just in case it goes up. Look at the market, it's been climbing all morning. But that was a nice big red candle there, which we took advantage of. And we got 30 cents. But that's going to be it for me today. Facebook took me for a little ride this morning, but we got all of that back and some. Not on Facebook, but on other trades. So we're up 219. Let's take a look at the trades. Mostly winners and 2 losers. Our biggest winner on ICPT and our biggest loser on Facebook. Thanks for watching.